In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively test ChatGPT's responses by using innovative prompts and techniques. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with a fresh set of tools to engage with AI in unique ways. First, open your browser and log into openai.com. If you've been using this platform before, make sure to start a new conversation. This step ensures that your new test won't be influenced by any of your previous interactions or biases stored in the chat history. A clean slate is crucial for an unbiased starting point, allowing you to accurately gauge how ChatGPT responds to each specific prompt you intend to test. Once you're set up with a new conversation, let's delve into crafting unexpected questions. Consider posing your queries in engaging, distinctive formats, like riddles or metaphors. By presenting questions such as, what connects a sunrise, a courtroom, and a chess game? You offer a puzzle for ChatGPT to untangle, inviting it to draw connections across seemingly unrelated concepts. This approach can expose the depth and flexibility of the model's understanding. Another effective strategy is to employ mixed context prompts. These prompts combine unrelated topics to challenge the AI's ability to create coherent answers. For instance, asking it to explain blockchain using a recipe for pancakes requires ChatGPT to bridge the gap between technology and culinary arts, revealing its skills in synthesizing diverse subject areas. Introducing deliberate contradictions is a fascinating way to test ChatGPT's reasoning capabilities. By asking it to describe a square circle in practical terms, you throw a paradox its way. This forces the model to navigate complex reasoning obstacles, showcasing its ability to manage and address seemingly impossible scenarios. For a more advanced twist, ask for multi-step reasoning in a scrambled order. Start by requesting the outcome first before moving to the beginning, finally asking for the middle of the sequence. This tests ChatGPT's ability to organize and structure a logical sequence from disarray. It's an excellent way to push the boundaries of how effectively it can handle disrupted information. Testing its fact-checking prowess is another interesting angle. Present trick data or misleading details, such as stating, Einstein was born in 1980, right? Tell me more about his career. You're aiming to see whether the AI can correct falsehoods and provide accurate historical insights despite the initial misinformation. After ChatGPT provides an answer using any of these techniques, push it further. Request, now explain your reasoning step by step and spot any flaws. This encourages a deeper level of introspection and analysis, allowing you to observe how well it can break down its previous responses and self-examine for inconsistencies or errors. As you experiment with these techniques, keep notes on which methods tend to confuse ChatGPT versus those that spark creativity. This practice will be invaluable for fine-tuning your testing approaches moving forward, enabling you to expand your toolkit for evaluating conversational AI.